Meaning of gratuitously.
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 Gratuitously. Gratuitously means without any reasonable or obvious cause or justification, and is often used to describe behavior or actions that are unnecessary or done purely for the sake of being mean or unpleasant. When someone acts gratuitously, they are behaving in a way that is unwarranted and typically serves no purpose beyond causing harm or distress to others. This can take the form of making hurtful remarks, deliberately spreading false rumors, or engaging in other forms of verbal or emotional abuse. Overall, acting gratuitously is widely seen as a negative and harmful behavior, and is generally discouraged in both personal and professional contexts.